To be a brand that really stands out and stands the test of time requires commitment. It requires self-awareness and a deep commitment and belief in your product and in your process and how it's made. And I think Killer Brownie really represents that, in that they've not only embraced who they are as a company and a brand, but also just really embraced and stood by the product and how it's made. And it's not an easy product to make by any stretch of the imagination, but they have not strayed. They just learn from their mistakes and stand by what the product has always been. And I think it's clearly served them well. Loyalty is not something that just happens. People don't walk into their job or a company or even buy a product and just automatically become loyal to it. There is this sense of Rizz that has to be there. There has to be this charisma, this personality that people are gonna want to be loyal to. And again, I think Killer Brownie they've really nailed it in that regard. And something that Shaman said when I was at the bakery, she talked about what a privilege it is to have people who want to work there. And I thought that was a really cool mindset to have. And I think when internally you've got this culture and this environment where people are heard, they have a voice, the voice is heard, and they all get to participate in the personality of the company, that charisma oozes out. And then it becomes this product and this brand that consumers are gonna wanna be loyal to. I think it's all about, again, like I said, self-awareness and accepting who you are and what you stand for. It's never too late to change how you go about communicating that, or to find different areas of your brand that you maybe haven't spotlighted and bring those to the forefront. It's never too late to change. Now, on the flip side of that, I think that young brands have a ton to learn from legacy brands, because at the end of the day, they're legacy brands for a reason. So they've been doing something right. They have staying power. The classics are classics for a reason. And so I think that there is a lot that can be learned from the old and the new. Is it ever too late to rizz up your image or become cool? I will tell you that my 15-year-old son would look at me and say, absolutely, it's too late. He would say, you're too old to have Rizz, and don't say that word anymore.